Right folks, I'll start off by giving you a very quick little history lesson at Queenstown and how it came to be. Now we're going way back to 1859. Now this entire area, it was a wilderness, it was uninhabited, unexplored and virtually unknown. Now 1 year later in 1860s, whenever very first farmers or settlers came into this area, and with them they brought 14 people and 8,000 merino sheep. And they set up a big sheep station where Queenstown is now. 2 years later in 1862, two of the musters, or two of the shepherds, they discovered gold in the river behind Queenstown. Now this led to Australasia's largest gold rush by far. Population very quickly increased from 14 people to 9,500 people in 12 months.